Could the future of robotics hold the key to the evolution of human society? Could these remarkable machines transform our lives in ways we can't yet imagine? Time will reveal the answers. Take a journey back to the late 1940s, a time when the concept of robotics was in its infancy. The first programmable robot, named Unimate, was created by George Devil in 1954. This industrial robot was a pioneer, setting the stage for the countless mechanical marvels that would follow. Fast forward to the 70s, a decade that saw the birth of the first computer-controlled autonomous vehicle, Stanford Cart. This robotic vehicle, developed by Stanford University, could navigate through obstacle-filled terrains, sparking a revolution in autonomous technology. The 90s were a transformative period in robotics. In 1997, NASA's Mars Pathfinder mission made history by deploying Sojourner, the first successful Mars rover. This marked a significant leap in space exploration and robotics. The dawn of the 21st century brought with it an era of rapid advancements. In 2004, the DARPA Grand Challenge ushered in the age of autonomous vehicles, a precursor to the self-driving cars we see today. The last decade has seen an explosion in robotics, from the development of humanoid robots like Sophia to nanobots used in medicine. The boundaries of what robots can achieve are continually being pushed. Now, imagine the next few decades. With the advent of technologies like artificial intelligence and quantum computing, the potential for robotics is limitless. Robots could become an integral part of our daily lives, assisting in everything from healthcare to education and even space exploration. In summary, the world of robotics has evolved dramatically since its inception in the mid-20th century. From the creation of Unimate to the development of autonomous vehicles and humanoid robots, each milestone has been a testament to human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of technology. As we look to the future, the potential for robotics is vast. With advancements in artificial intelligence and other technologies, robots could transform every aspect of human life. The future of robotics is not just a question of what machines can do, but how they could shape our society and redefine what it means to be human. This journey through the timeline of robotics serves as a reminder of the remarkable progress we've made and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. It invites us to imagine a future where robots are not just tools, but partners in shaping a better world. Remember, the future of robotics isn't a distant reality. It's happening right now, evolving every day, and its potential is limited only by our imagination. The question isn't whether robots will be part of our future, but how they will redefine it. Keep an eye on this fascinating field, for the robotics revolution is just getting started.